How to use Gemini AI in Google Slides. While Google Slides is used for creating presentations, the integration of Gemini AI in the app takes the experience to another level. Gemini AI helps to generate text based on user prompts in the side panels of its applications, including Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Drive, and helps them to summarize, analyze, and generate content without switching tabs. Whether you're a student preparing your university project or a professional making a presentation for a team meeting, Gemini is a tool to get the job done in a more enhanced way. Here's how you can complete your Google Slides task using the Gemini AI feature. You can ask Gemini to create a unique slide based on a text prompt or a new presentation. First, select the Gemini icon in the upper right corner to access the prompt text box. Then type a text prompt and press Enter to generate a slide. Select Insert. If not satisfied, click Retry to give Gemini another try. With Gemini AI, instead of searching for pictures on the web, ask Gemini to generate one. Use the following prompt, for instance. Generate an image of a room decorated with balloons and celebration items. Now, suppose you're working on an event planning presentation. You can ask Gemini to brainstorm a list of ideas to manage a successful event. Gemini creates several headings such as planning and organization, guest list, menu planning, and vendor management. You can also ask Gemini AI to summarize specific slides in Google Slides. For that, highlight specific slides from the left sidebar and ask Gemini to summarize them. It will generate brief overviews, saving you time and effort. Another time-saving Gemini feature in Google Slides is its ability to generate key points from a presentation. Instead of summarizing slides, ask Gemini to generate key points from a presentation.